In today's scenario, air and space power have become pivotal elements in shaping strategies. With the rapid advancement of the niche and the cutting-edge technology incorporated with artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, air and space assets now provide an unprecedented advantage in battlefield scenarios. Aerospace power is the new frontier of the military dominance, which acts as a strategic deterrence. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to highlight India's focus on self-reliance through strategic partnership and technological collaborations in defense sector, and particularly in the aerospace sector. In recent years, the Indian government has brought about several transformative policy reforms aimed at bolstering a robust defense industry ecosystem. This includes initiatives that promote domestic design, development, manufacturing, and exports. Recognizing its strategic importance and vast potential, the Government of India has designated aerospace as one of the core sectors of our Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant mission. As a result of this, aerospace and defense sector in India is taking significant strides in developing cutting-edge technology, both through public as well as private industry participation. India today can boast of having one of the largest defense industrial ecosystem in Asia, and we are committed to further enhancing our capabilities. We are among a select few nations capable of producing fourth-generation fighter aircrafts, nuclear submarines, main battle tanks, and intercontinental ballistic missiles. Apart from these major platforms, we are also successfully developing a number of the high-technology subsystems and components which are essential for the efficient performance of many equipment and platforms. Friends, we not only forge these machines, but more importantly, we believe in forging partnership. As a great Indian personality said, I can do things you cannot, you can do things I cannot, but together we can do great things. The Indian aerospace and defense sector represents an attractive opportunity for foreign companies seeking to establish new ventures and partnership. A recent example of this is the significant milestone of setting up of manufacturing facility of C-295 aircraft for the Indian Air Force through collaboration between Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Airbus Defence and Space. This unique project has paved the way for enhanced private sector participation in aircraft manufacturing and final assembly. And more of such projects are expected to follow in future.
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new-age design. Book now